day to you, and I'm happy to be with you once again. In this very short video, I would love to reflect upon the jigsaw approach of cooperative learning strategy. Cooperative learning, as it were, is a learning approach whereby the students learn together as a group. And when they learn together as a group, they will be able to um, gain one thing or the other from one another's strengths. And those activities within the group will make those people who might be inactive to be very active. And there are several approaches of this cooperative learning approach, but today I will just explain the jigsaw approach, and I will contextualize it for understanding of my participants. So I will start with the advantages of this jigsaw. Number one, it provides the learner the opportunity to share idea, vocalize their thoughts as students, as the student with friends and fellow classmates. The next is that it provides teacher an opportunity to monitor student thinking, and students have opportunity to also take the role of teachers. This jigsaw was first developed and tested by Elliot Aronson and his colleague at the University of Texas. And then a scholar and his colleague called Salvin, they adapted it. So I want to start with the procedure. When you want to execute the jigsaw learning approach in the classroom, first thing to actually learn is that the students in that class are to be assigned to 5 or 6 member heterogeneous study team. The heterogeneous grouping can be based on the student's ability. So we have people that are strong, people that are medium, people that are weak. It could be based on gender, male and female will be there. The purpose of this heterogeneous grouping is to ensure that the people that are in the group will be able to bring several ideas together. The next is that the academic material is presented perhaps in the text form. In some instances, one could actually integrate the flipped classroom approach such that after you have composed the group, maybe through Google Classroom, through video, you could send materials ahead of them so that the group will have the idea of what they want to do. For instance, if you are teaching sciences and you want to teach pollution electrolysis, you will have provided all that group will need to teach, to learn the materials to be learned to them. And I always suggest that it is done before the class. Allow students to learn material individually. That means that's why it's also good to do it before class. Let the student learn the material individually. Then member of different group with similar topics or portion of text now meet each other to learn the topic, which is the expert group. So the first thing is to create a home group. When you have the home group, it may be 5 or 6 students, then those 6 students will divide and go to the expert group and they will learn. Now, after the expert group has worked together learning the material, then the people in the home group, they will return home and they will teach their colleagues what they have learned. I'm going to display this with uh, the steps clearly down. We are now in the classroom setting. So it's possible to provide a text material, video, YouTube, and everything containing material. For example, let's say I want to teach sodium and its compound. I'm a chemistry teacher. Um, I will have provided a text material containing the materials on entire sodium and its compound for all the students in the class. I have created group. So every member of that group will have access to the material. After we have done that, I can use additional material such as website, YouTube video, ebook, and all of those things. From that, during the pre-instructional preparation, I would have allocated parts of the material that I have uh, given to everybody to member. So in group one, if we have 5 members, I will divide the subtopics in sodium and its compound into 5. Look at it. Member 1 here will have to learn introduction and extraction of sodium. Member 2, his assignment is to learn physical and chemical properties of sodium. Member 3 is to learn tests and uses of sodium. Member 4 is to learn about compounds of sodium, for example, sodium hydroxide. Member 5 is to learn other compounds of sodium. Maybe the person will learn sodium triisonitrate 5. So within every group, everybody knows his or her role and the portion of the text that they will be working with. So you can see this image here. We have actually divided the task. So just like this puzzle we break, everybody can pick the portion that they need to work with. They can pick that portion. So somebody picked red there, another one picked yellow, another one picked green, and so on and so forth, like that. So after we have done this, so the entire content has been broken down. So the next is to now allow members of different group with the same content. You can see that somebody will pick green here. Maybe it's a topic, a subtopic. Let's say it's 4 subtopic now. So by the time it's broken down, we have home group A, this lemon color or green, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means all the people that pick that topic, like we have it, let's say it's introduction and extraction. That's the formation of expert group. All the people that picked the extraction and the introduction, they are 1. So they will be learning it together in their group. Same with expert group 2. People will come from different home group to form this expert group. Same with 3, same with 4. So everybody will be holding discussion. And to regulate what is going on in the expert group, the teacher would prepare pre-instructional quizzes and tests so that conversations will be going on. You may set questions and say, what are the materials required for it? So there will be a study guide question. So in the group 1, all of them will be answering it. And as a result of that, they will be mastering the content that need to be taught. So after the expert conversation, you can see this image that I have drawn. We have team 1, team 2. Let's say we have 2 teams, and we are broken. They went to expert group, experts, all the people with same topic. Experts usually do same topic. So the next thing is that the expert will return to their home, and when they get there, they will be teachers to teach different members of their class, of their group, the home group, and they teach them. They also do quizzes for them. So at the end of the day, students are evaluated generally as a group, and we will be able to do many things. Number one, you can see that everybody will learn from one another. Somebody will be a teacher for somebody. So there is communal way of learning. There is dependence on one another, and so on and so forth. Thank you for listening to me. I will see you in another video.